Racially restrictive covenants were tools that were used by real estate developers in the 19th and 20th century to prevent people of color from buying or occupying property.
This is the first time in the 25 years that I've worked with Habitat that I can remember seeing a racially restrictive covenant.
When you're black in America, you couldn't build wealth like the opportunities you had if you were white.
There's just a different sense about that you have about yourself, your family, your community when you have home ownership.
We plant seeds over here on this side of the garden, and then we allow weeds to grow on this side. It don't make sense. That's what we did as a country.
Our neighborhood as it exists today is still incredibly white. It is incredibly segregated still. And that persists because of the origins of our neighborhood, and it was designed to look like that.
So how do we flip that for the future so that everybody can get down and live right?
We have to talk about hard things.
And in America, these are the type conversations nobody likes to have.